So friends, hello everyone, this is the Eurasian Electric Equipment Plant channel. Today, we have a live video. Let's walk through our workshop. Let's see what orders we fulfill. Let me remind you that our company is engaged in the production of any auger products according to technical specifications. These are standard screws, non-standard screws. Everything that rotates is our specialty, as well as equipment that helps to optimize screw production. I will tell you more about it later. So, friends, we will use this auger directly for beer companies. That is, it will be mixing and moving solo here. Let's take a look inside. We have proprietary technology that allows our design department to create turnkey solutions for beer production, including blending and transportation. What I'm saying is that we don't just do standardized products. That is, we receive a huge number of requests for something non-standard. Some infining solutions have been implemented. We receive a project and we develop this project in relation to performance and what the customer wants to get as an output, and accordingly we coordinate with him and start manufacturing. Here we have stainless steel directly. We weld strictly with argon. Let's look at the quality of welds. Everyone is very interested. That is, well, here you can see that the welds are good quality, and directly you can see that we can do anything. We make any non-standard and standard products, so you can order from us, including screws according to your specifications. And here we have a slitway where we are engaged in welding of some hulls, and accordingly here too. One of the orders is a screw conveyor, which will be made of stainless steel. Recently, a lot of stainless steel has been received in orders. Most likely, this is due to import substitution, because earlier such products were ordered in Italy. I know this for sure. Now, they are ordered in Russia, namely from us, because the market has been freed up. So we have occupied this niche. We are engaged in export substitution. We are trying to be leaders of the screw market. So if you need augers, you should know right away that you can turn to Eurasian production equipment. We do absolutely everything. Alright, well friends, we're now in our bending area. GP series machines, as you know. We manufacture them, we sell them. These machines produce the screw coils like this. Different geometries. You can see that there are a lot of positions, and accordingly, all of this is handled by a machine of the GP series. You can see here, absolutely flat, identical geometry. Here, you can see these small, unusual half twists. And by the way, we've come to the shop today. This is where we have hard X. There's been a lot of inquiries as to whether you can handle hard X. Yes, it does. Look, there's also some big conical screw spiral of unusual geometry. It's big there. I don't know, 1.5 meters in diameter. Here, the finished products are already lying like this. We bent them. And directly I say that the machines can bend absolutely anything, from 2 to 50 mm thick billets inclusive. Someone asks, what diameter can you bend on your machine? Well, look at the diameter, for example, almost up to my head. That is, there are no restrictions on the machine. You can order from us both such products and equipment. It will serve you well, and you will make augers like this. The demand is huge. So, come on friends, go ahead. At the link in the description will be information on how to buy equipment from us and how to order from us such as screw castings. So well friends, here we have our flagship machine. This is G100, which directly bends up to 50 mm thick workpieces. And here we have some pretty powerful castings. Look here, for example, the thickness is 30 mm. Here it is 25 mm though, the thickness of the coils. So as you can see, different geometries. We can handle it all. We work day and night, all the time. We get requests. Here we have both stainless steel and ordinary black steel. So well, you can see that we do absolutely everything. Any configuration. You can also order everything from us. So friends, well, we went through our production, our classic video, saw our orders, so everything I said, there will be all the information on the link in the description, where you can leave your request for auger products, or for equipment for the production of augers. We will cooperate with you. I'll say goodbye for today. See you in the next issues. Goodbye.